Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is any-based subtraction in Java. So let's get started. Okay friends, Let's see the decimal subtraction. Already in previous video, I already explained any-based addition. Now in this video, I'm going to explain any-based subtraction. So any-based subtraction is also similar to some decimal subtraction. For suppose, let's take two decimal numbers 967492. What we usually do is we always subtract a smaller number from bigger number. Okay, let's say digit by digit 7 minus 2. As 7 is greater than 2, we can we can take 2 from 7. Like 7 minus 2 is 5. And again 6 minus 9 is 6 minus 9 is possible because 6 is smaller number. We cannot take 9 from it. What we will do, we usually take carry from the we usually borrow 10 from the previous left side. Means here there will be 10 and here there will be minus 1 because we borrowed. What will happen now? What we usually do? We usually do 10 plus 6 now. Okay. Usually do 10 plus 6 is 16. What is 16 minus 9 is 7. Okay. Here carries the 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So we just have only 8 here. So 8 minus 4 is, as 8 is less than 4, we can do minus 8 minus 4 is 4. That's it about this. So coming to here, this is octal subtraction. These two are octal numbers. See, it is also similar to the decimal subtraction, but only one slight changes I will explain. So here 1 minus 7. What is 1 minus 7? 1 is smaller than 7. We cannot, take 7 from 9. 1. So what we will do? We will take borrow from the left side. So in the previous one, we borrowed 10 because it is decimal number, but here we will borrow 8. 8 and here there will be minus 1. So what will happen? The first step is you do 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And again I have carry here. So first of all what I will do is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Just 1. 1 minus 6 is not possible because it is smaller number. What we will do is we will take carry from 7. Means here I will have 8 and here there will be minus 1. Okay, again 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And here there is carry minus 1. What we will do is minus 1, 7 is 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2 because 6 is greater than 4. So that's it about this octal subtraction and decimal subtraction. Even I gave some basics numbers. What you have to do is if you are subtracting the bigger number from smaller number, what you will do is you will take borrow as 6 from the left side. You will add to that smaller number, then subtract that from that other number. So like this you can do any base subtraction so in the same manner. Okay, so if you're dealing with the base 6 numbers, you will take borrow as 6. If you're dealing with base 10 numbers, you will take borrow as 10. If you're dealing with base 8 numbers, you will take 8 as borrow. So that's the slight difference for every base number subtraction. Okay, so let's get into coding. Okay, sweet. Okay, let's see what is given in the question. So they gave base and they gave n1 and n2 of base b, and you have to subtract n1 from n2. Means n2 is always greater than n1. So let's imagine that. Okay, n2 is always greater than n1. Okay. So that's it about the question. Let's get into coding now. Let's start the coding now. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have b, we have n1, and we have n2 in the parameters of this function. So first of all, I'm taking some int result is equal to 0 and int carry is equal to 0 because my carry initially will be 0. And what I will do is b is equal to 0. Okay, don't worry. I will explain this code by tracing it out with an example. Okay, don't worry. What I will do is while n2 is greater than 0, I will run this loop because because n2 is greater than n1, means we are doing n2 minus n1. Okay, let's imagine that. Okay, what we will do, in digit 1 is equal to n1 modulo division 10. We are taking some units digit now from the first number. D2 is equal to n2 modulo division 10, and my n1 will become n1 by 10, and my n2 will become n2 by 10. Okay, now what will happen is, initially take let's t is equal to 0, let's t is equal to 0, and my d2 will be, this d2 will be, if there is some carry, I took some borrow from the left side one, so what I have to do, d2 plus c, sorry, d2 plus c means nothing but here carry. Okay, d2 plus carry. If my d2 is greater than d1 or greater than or equal to d1, what we simply do is, my d will be here my, if my d2 is greater than d1, then no need of carry, my carry will be 0 here, carry will be 0. Okay, and my d will be d2 minus d1. Okay, else what will happen is, my c my carry will be minus 1, and my d will be d2 plus my base minus d1. Then my result plus is equal to my d into math dot power of 10 comma 0, 10 comma 0, and my by 1, and I will return this. Let's run this code. Don't worry, I will explain this. So first of all, let's run this. Sorry, it is showing some. Where I am wrong. Okay, it is, sorry, one mistake. Here not 0, here it is P. Yes, it is accepted, so let's submit. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's submit the code now. Okay, it is correct answer. Okay. Now, let's analyze the code first of all. Then you can understand this code very nicely. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, friends. Let's take b as 8. B is equal to 8, and my n1 is 4, 6, 7, and my n2 be 7, 2, 1. Okay. As we already discussed, n2 is always greater than n. Okay. First of all, my result is equal to 0, my carry is equal to 0, and my p equal to 0, and my n2 is greater than 0, else my n2 is greater than 0. So what will happen here is, my d1 is equal to n1 modulo division 7, means 4, 6, 7 modulo division 10 means you will get 7, means the units digit place, and d2 is equal to 7 to 1 modulo division 10 means you will get units digit, that is 1. Okay, and my n1 will become 4, 6, 7, sorry, okay, 4, 6, 7 by 10 means except the units digit number, you will get the remaining number, and n2 will equal to 721 by 10 means 72. Up to here, okay. Then let's Let's understand it. We are doing like this: 7 to 1, 4, 6, 7 minus no. Okay, what will be my D? Let's take D as 0. My D2 will be D2 plus carry. Here my carry is initially 0. There is no carry here. So D2 will be, my D2 will be here 1 plus 0, 1 plus carry. That is 1. Means here still I have only 1. I have 1. And here these are all my D2s. Okay, these are all my D1s. Okay. Now, if D2 is greater than or equal to D1, is D2 is greater than D1? No. Else condition, carry will be minus 1. So my carry will have minus 1 and my D will be, what is my D? D2 plus means my D will be, D2 is 1 plus B. What is the base here? 8. 8 minus D1. What is my D1? 7. See, that's only happening, no? If we are keeping carry as minus 1 and we are borrowing 8 here. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So what we are doing is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2. The D2 will be 2. D will be 2. And result, lastly result. What is my result will be? Result is equal to 0 plus 2 into 10 power 0. That is 2. My result. And my P will be incremented by 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, again let's go into the code now. Okay, let's again go through the code. My N1 is now 46 and my N2 is 72. Okay, so is N2 is greater than 0. Okay, okay, my D1. So what will my result will be initially 2 here and my carry becomes minus 1 in the previous iteration. Okay, what will be my P in the previous iteration? 1. Okay, let's go into D1. D1 is N1 means 46 modulo division 10 means it is 6 and 72 modulo division 10 means it is 2 and 46 by 10 means it's 4 and 72 by 10 means it's 7. Okay, what will be my D initially 0. What will be my D2? D2 is D2 plus carry. What is my D2? D2 here. What is carry? Minus 1. So minus 1. That is my D2 will be minus 1 here. So what I have to write here is, here it will become, D2 will be 1 now. Okay, again, let's see what is my D2. So D2 is greater than D1? Is 1 is greater than 6? No. Again, else condition. Again, my carry will be minus 1 here. Okay, and my D will be D2 plus means 1 plus base means 8, B means 8 minus D1. What is D1? 6. That is 9 minus 6, 3. It's simple. So here carry is minus 1 and I borrowed 8 from the left side. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. Again 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Again go through the next iteration. Okay, so my D is 3 now. So what will be my result? My previous result is 2. So 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1. That is 30 plus 2, 32. My result will be 32 and my P will increment by 1. Means 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, let's go through the other iteration. Okay, let's continue. My N1 become 4 and my N2 become 7. So is N2 is greater than 0? Okay, what will be my D1? D1 is 7 modulo division 10, that is 7. And D2, sorry, or not 7, D1 is N1, no? Means here I will have, okay, 4 modulo division 10, that is 4. And here 7 modulo division 10, that is 7. What will be my N1? 4 by 10, that is 0. And here 7 by 10, that is 0. Initially my D will be 0 here. Okay, up to here over. So D2 will be D2 plus carry. What is my D2? 7. What is my carry? Minus 1. Means 6. And what will be my D? D2 minus D1. 6 minus 4. That is 2. Here see, D2 is greater than or equal to D1. 6 is greater than or equal to 4. So it's entered into this if loop. Carry will be 0. Carry will be 0. And D will be D2 minus D1. 6 minus 4, 2. And again, result. What is my previous result? Result is equal to 32. See here. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 is greater than 4. So 6 minus 4, 2. Here result, previous result is 32. 32 plus 10 power 2, that is, sorry, 1 minute. Okay. 32 plus what is my D? 2. 2 into 10 power 2. That is 32 plus 200 will be 232. So that is my result, and my P will be incremented by initially P is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. My P will be 3 and my result is 232. Again here my result is 232 and my N2 is 0, N1 is 0. I will go into this loop. Is N2 greater than 0? No. Come out of loop and return result. My result will be 232. So that's it about this any base subtraction video. So the next okay friends, thank you for watching this video. So the next upcoming video is any base multiplication in Java. Okay, let's wait for that. Thank you for watching.